Hello my dear students, in this class discuss elementary operations or elementary transformation examples. Let us consider one example. Using a elementary operation, find the inverse of the matrix A. Before going to start finding the inverse of matrix A, first we have to remember some rules. Using that rules, we have to solve easily. Yes, what is the first rule? I am considering here generalized form of given matrix. Already you know A11, A12, A21, A22. This is a general form of the given matrix of order 2 by 2. Here, first we have to write a given matrix in the form of A is equal to I into A form. First we have to write. And second rule is, second one, we have to make a A11 element as a 1. If suppose in given example already 1 is there, no problem, we have to continue the problem. Suppose it is not 1, we have to make that A11 element as a 1. A11 element make a 1. Next, after that, second means our third rule, A21 element make it as a 0. A21 element make it as a 0. After that, A22 element make it as a 1. Next, after that, A12 element make it as a 0. Finally, we have to form identity matrix in LHS side. Whatever the operations we have done in LHS, same operations we have to do in RHS side also. These 4 rules we have to remember. Yes, go through the example. What is the given example? Write down first. A is equal to 1, 2, 2 minus 1. First, what is our first rule says? A is equal to I into A form. First we have to write. A is equal to I into A. What is the given matrix A? Write down. 1, 2, 2 minus 1 equal to, what is the I matrix we have to consider here? We have to consider identity matrix of order 2 by 2, because in a given example they given A is equal to 2 by 2 order matrix. That's why I am considering I is equal to 2 by 2 matrix. 1, 0, 0, 1. Write A as it is. Next, in given example already 1 is there. A11 element make it as a 1. Already it is 1. No problem. Next, move to second. A21 element make it as a 0. Using our elementary operation, we have to make this element as a 0. R2 changes to using a row operation or column operation. You may follow. First I am solving the example using a elementary row operation. R2 changes to R2 minus 2 times of R1. First row write as it is. What is our first row? 1, 2. Same. Next, R2 or second row, it changes R2 minus 2 times of R1. Write down what is the R2 element here. What is the R2 element? R2 element is 2 minus 2 times of R1, corresponding R1 element 1. 1. Simplify the term, 0. Next, what is the R2 element here? Minus 1, right? Minus 1 minus 2 times of R1, corresponding R1 element What is the corresponding R1 element? 2. Simplify the term. 2 into 2, 4, minus 4, minus 1, minus 5. Right here, minus 5 equal to whatever the operation we have done in LHS side, same operations we have to do in RHS. First row, write down as it is, 1, 0. What is the second row? Second row changes to R2 minus 2 times of R1. What is the R2 element here? 0 minus 2 times of R1. 2 into, what is the R1 element here? 1. 1. Simplify the term, write minus 2. Next, what is the R2 element here? 1. 1 minus 2 times of R1. 2 times of corresponding R1 element. 0. Means 1 after simplification. Next, A11 element is 1. A21 element 0. Next, go to here. We have to make this element as a 1. Here, see here, A22 element, make it as a 1. At that time, R2 changes to minus 1 by 5 into R2. R2 changes to minus 1 by 5 into R2. Yes, see here. Write the first row as it is. Write first row as it is, 1, 2. Next, R2 changes to minus 1 by 5 into R2. What is the element here? 0. 0 into minus 1 by 5. 0 into anything is 0. Right here, 0. Next, R2 element is minus 5. We have to multiply that R2 element with minus 1 by 5. Minus 1 by 5. Simplify the term. Cancels, minus into minus, plus 1, which is equal to. Next, whatever the operation we have done in LHS side, same operations we have to do in RHS. See here, write the first row as it is. What is our first row? 1, 0. 1, 0. Right, as it is. Next, R2 changes to minus 1 by 5 into R2. Write down minus 1 by 5 into, what is the R2 element here? Minus 2. Minus 2. Minus into minus becomes a plus, which is equal to 2 by 5. Right here, 2 by 5. Next, 1 into minus 1 by 5 into R2. 1 into minus 1 by 5 minus 1 by 5. Minus 1 by 5. Right, A as it is. A here also, A as it is. Next, we have to make A12 element 0 using R1 operation. Means using R1 changes to R1 minus 2 times of R2. R1, what is the R1 element here? 1, right? 1 minus 2 times of R2. 2 into corresponding R2 element, 0. 0. 2 into 0, 0, right? 1. Next, 2 minus 2 times of corresponding R2 element, 1. Simplification, 0. Right? Second row as it is, 0, 1, which is equal to whatever the operation we have done in LHS, same operation we have to do in RHS side. What is the first row? R1, 1 minus 2 times of R2. What is the R2 element here? Into 2 by 5. Simplify the term, 1 minus 4 by 5. Take a LCM. 5 minus 4 by 5 is equal to 1 by 5. Write 1 by 5 here. 1 by 5. Next, go to the 0, means 0 element. R1 element 0 minus 2 times of R2. 2 into R2 corresponding R2 element. 2 into minus 1 by 5. Simplify the term, minus minus becomes a plus, 2 by 5, 2 by 5, and write R2 row as it is, 2 by 5, 2 by 5 minus 1 by 5, write A as it is. We have to form a identity matrix in LHS side, yes. After that, we have to send this A to LHS side. A, after that, at that time, A becomes A inverse. A inverse into our 1 0 0 1 matrix, which is equal to 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 2 by 5 minus 1 by 5. We have to multiply A inverse with identity matrix. Again, we will get A inverse. A inverse is equal to 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 2 by 5 minus 1 by 5. This is inverse of A. Same example we have to solve using a column operation. Again, we have to remember same procedure, but here A11 element, make it as the 1. If it is there, no problem. If it is not there, we have to make that A11 element as a 1. Next, immediately we have to move to the A12 element, because here we are operating the column operation. In row operation, we have to make A21 element as a 0. Whenever we are to solving the column operation using a column operation, at that time we have to make A12 element as a 0. After that, A22 element make it as the 1. After that, A21 element make it as a 0. This is a procedure. Yes. C2 changes to C2 minus 2 times of C1. Already A11 element is 1. Next, we have to make this element as a 0. C2 changes to C2 minus 2 times of C1. Write a given matrix in this form. A is equal to 1, 2, 2 minus 1 is equal to identity matrix. What is identity matrix? 1, 0, 0, 1 of order 2 by 2 into matrix A. C2 changes to, we have to write here, C2 changes to C2 minus 2 times of C1. First column write down as it is. Changes only in second column. First column 1, 2. Second column C2 minus 2 times of C1. I am solving here. C2 element is 2. 2 minus 2 times of corresponding C1 element. C1 element 1. 1. Simplify the term 0. Write a 0. Next, C2 element is minus 1. Minus 1. Minus of 2 into corresponding C1 element. Corresponding C1 element 2. 2. Simplify the term. Minus 1 minus 4 minus 5. Write a minus 5. Next, whatever the operation we have done in LHS, same operations we have to do in RHS side. Next, first column write down as it is. 1, 0, 1, 0. Second column changes to C2 minus 2 times of C1. What is the C2 element here? 0. 0 minus 2 times of C1 element into 1. Into 1. Which is equal to minus 2. Write a minus 2. Next, C2 element 1, right? 1 minus 2 times of C1, 2 times of corresponding C1 element, 0 into 0. Simplify the term, answer is 1. After that, A22 element, make it as a 1. After that, A21 element, make it as a 0. Go to next operation. We have to make this element as a 1. C2 changes to minus 1 by 5. C2 means second column. We have to make this element as a 1. Write a first column as it is. 1, 2, 1, 2 as it is. Next, C2 minus 1 by 5 into C2. C2 element 0. 0 into anything is 0. Next, minus 1 by 5 into C2. What is the C2 element here? Minus 5 into minus 5. 5 get cancels, minus becomes a plus 1, which is equal to, same operations we have to do in RHS. First column, write down as it is, 1, 0. What is the second column? Minus 1 by 5 into C2. Minus 2 by minus 2. Minus into minus plus 2 into 1 by 5 plus 2 by 5. 2 by 5. Next, come to this element. Minus 1 by 5 into corresponding C2 element is 1. Write a 1. Minus 1 by 5 into 1, again minus 1 by 5. Next, we have to make A21 element as a 0. At that time, we have to follow C1 changes to C1 minus 2 times of C2 operation. C1 changes to C1 minus 2 times of C2. What is the C1 element here? 1, right? 1 minus 2 times of C2, corresponding C2 element, 2 into 0, right? 1. Next, C1 element is 2. 2 minus 2 times of C2, 2 times of C2. C2 element is 1. 1. Simplify the term, 0. Next, second column, write down as it is, 0, 1. Same operation we have to do in RHS side also. Yes, C1, 1 minus 2 times of C2. 2 times of corresponding C2 element into 2 by 5. Simplify the term, 1 minus 4 by 5. Take a LCM, 5 minus 4 divided by 5, which is equal to 1 by 5. Right here, 1 by 5. Next, similarly, go to this one. C1, 0 minus 2 times of C2. 2 into corresponding C2 element minus 1 by 5. Minus into minus becomes a plus, 2 by 5. Write a 2 by 5. Next, second column, write down as it is, 2 by 5 minus 1 by 5 into, we have to remaining A term, write down A. Send this A to LHS. At that time, A inverse is equal to 1, 0, 0, 1, which is equal to, write down the term, 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 2 by 5 minus 1 by 5. We have to multiply identity matrix with any other matrix. Again, we will get a same matrix. A inverse is equal to 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 2 by 5 minus 1 by 5. Here you have to remember one point, using a elementary row operation or column operation, but after finding the A inverse, both the answers are same. You may follow row operation or you may follow column operations. Both are same. Thank you.